Hello, my name is Beth Large,
And I'm Jake Cachero.
and we're occupational therapy students within the University of North Dakota. This video is to educate occupational therapy practitioners, teens, and their families about the opportunities for driving, adaptations, and fitting for your car, and ways to make driving possible with a disability. This video is intended to give you some tips and tricks for teenagers driving with a disability. For more individualized evaluation of your eligibility for driving and recommended adaptations, an occupational therapist in your area may be able to help. For more information, please visit aota.org.
So driving is an occupation that is a rite of passage for most teenagers, especially those who have a disability, and this creates the occupation and health connection. Driving allows a person more access to community, and with that comes feelings of more independence and freedom, as well as the chance to develop some responsibility.
Driving is a gateway occupation that allows participation in many other valued activities that teenagers tend to look forward to. Having a job, volunteering, engaging in social events, and extracurricular activities at school are just a few. Without driving, teenagers have to rely on parents and friends to help them get around, which isn't always ideal for either person.
So just to go over some general tips and rules about teen driving, observing all traffic laws, limiting distractions such as cell phones, eating in your car, putting on makeup, that type of thing, wearing your seatbelt, holding the steering with both hands, it's recommended at 3 and 9 or 10 and 2, observing all mirrors while driving, making sure windows and mirrors are clear of dirt and dust which may occlude your vision, and considering other drivers on the road, what they're driving, how fast they're driving, and signaling as well. Driving with physical disabilities. So the key to driving with a physical disability is to understand your own limitations, what might specifically you need to fit your needs as a driver. And so I just want to go over some ideas, some tips, and some adaptive equipment that you might use when you're driving. So the first thing you want to do is evaluate your needs as a driver and understand what equipment, if any, best suits your needs and abilities. So understanding your strengths, ability to reach specific buttons like the wheel buttons, functions in the car such as using the radio, that type of thing, and braking and gas are important as well. So just some quick adaptive equipment that I want to kind of go over. This is an over mirror for your rear view mirror, and it just kind of extends the view. So you just place that right up here, and that just kind of helps you with visual. This is a pad that goes over your seatbelt, so it just has a Velcro here, and all you do is throw your seatbelt on. And you just throw that over your shoulder there. It helps protect your shoulder. Maybe you have a prior injury that kind of hurts with that seatbelt. And instead of putting it behind you, you just use a shoulder pad there to help with that. A couple other things. Oops. A couple other things. There's a convex mirror for your side mirrors, just to help you with looking and seeing. And then this is it's called the handy bar. It helps you get into your car. So if we just close the door here, it goes right, it hooks right on there, and it'll just kind of help you step in your car if you have like an imbalance, or if you have trouble, you know, getting your legs up to step in. So you just come on this side of it, hold on to it, and you can just get in your car. Switch hands like that. Boom. And that's it.
It is important to remember that your actions not only affect you, but everybody else that's around you driving as well. What will you do if somebody cuts you off, or if you're running late? Try to plan for extra time if you need to be somewhere. And if you are running late, try to pull over to the side of the road before you call or text somebody. What will you do if you frequently get distracted? If you are somebody who's a little bit impulsive, try to limit as many distractions from the car as possible. This means turning down the radio, not messing with things while you're driving, Try to limit a lot of distractions in the car, such as other people in the car talking to you. How will you know where you're going? Have someone describe the place to you with landmarks that you know. Have someone drive you there the first time so you know where you're going. Or try using a GPS or your phone to follow directions. That's important to consider because you don't want to be looking down at your phone. Consider something like this that holds the GPS or the phone in a good position so that you can just glance at it every once in a while instead of looking completely down at your phone. The one takeaway point throughout this whole video is that we want to encourage you to have a plan. No matter if you have a physical disability or mental health disability, having a plan in place, especially when things happen, like you get a flat tire or you get into an accident, is really important.
For more individualized evaluation of your eligibility for driving and recommended adaptations, see an occupational therapist in your area or another health professional that deals with that kind of thing. Or visit AmericanOccupationalTherapy.org for more information. Thank you.
Thank you.